Hi everyone, it's Saunter Scamper here with you, and today I want to talk with you about itchy scalp and dandruff flakes. I found something today that might be what it's called and might help me to figure out what to do to treat my dandruff and my itchy scalp, and I have some products that I want to share with you that I found. So I mentioned a few days ago on a video that I had done a retwist and I was going to leave it in for a few days, and I tried to do that, but my my scalp was so itchy that I had to take them out after a day and a half, because when I would go to itch my scalp, my nails would get stuck in those cinnamon rolls that I had in the retwist at the root. So it was just it was sad, but I was just itching my scalp so much that I couldn't stand it, and I couldn't stand that I couldn't get to the itch because of the way the retwist was. So I took it out this morning. So first of all, my itchy scalp and dandruff has gone back to 2000. I remember first getting it in 2000, and I didn't have dreadlocks, and I was able to wash my hair as much as I wanted to, and I was able to get to the scalp as well as I could, but I still had this itchy scalp, and it was also flaking. And dandruff shampoo like Selsun Blue and Neutrogena dandruff shampoo, that never worked. No matter how much I used it, it never worked. And so I'm not going to use it on my dreadlocks because I can't stand the way it smells. So that's not something I'm going to do. But since I know that it doesn't work on mine, one thing I did try, and I tried it again last night, is this. This is a tea tree spray. It's called Relief Spray by Desert Essence. I got this on Amazon, and I've had this probably off and on for 15 years, this same product. Not for my scalp, but for other areas, and I thought I would try and use it here. It's got tea tree oil as a second ingredient, but it's got a bunch of other stuff in it too, and I think that it's probably it's going to be less irritating and drying than pure tea tree oil on my scalp, so that's why I thought I would try it. But it does not work. It itches as soon as I start spraying. As soon as I spray it, it itches. It itches right afterwards. So this isn't working. So I need something else. So I found a few things by doing some searches on YouTube, and I think it might be called seborrheic dermatitis. I think it might be called that. That's what I think it might be called. I found some products on Amazon. First of all, there's a probiotic soap. Let me see if I can find that one, because I ordered these things today. Okay, so it's lemon scented. They have it in lavender, but I don't like lavender scent. So this. So it's a probiotic soap. It's a bar, and it is antifungal soap for skin, fungus, acne, dandruff, powerful tea tree and lemon antibacterial body soap. And the brand is Candida Freedom. Cool. So I have had like different types of like yeast conditions on my skin off and on for many, many, many years. So, you know, I looked up the seborrheic dermatitis on WebMD, and they said that they do not know what causes it. It appears to be kind of like a long-term, lifelong condition. Once you develop it, it can come and go, but it's long-term, and that matches what it is for me. And then also, what else did they say? Oh, that they said that it could be, one of the potential causes could be, and there's multiple factors, but one of the potential causes could be yeast on the skin. And so that also sounds like it. One of the treatments that you can use is salicylic acid. And so there is one of the products here that I found, one of the other products is a scalp oil that has salicylic acid in it. Okay, so this is the brand. As I Am is the brand, and they have a shampoo and conditioner as well that matches this, and I got it, the shampoo and conditioner. So this has a lot of oils in it. It's got olive oil, tea tree oil. Okay, so tea tree oil isn't really much of an oil. It's got coconut oil, soybean oil, olive oil, aloe, peppermint oil. Okay, so you might wonder why I didn't get this scalp treatment. I didn't get the scalp treatment. I got the shampoo and conditioner that goes with this same line of products, but I didn't get this because I was watching Keisha Charmaine's videos, and she was talking about how she does retwist every 2 weeks. She still does, and she washes her hair every 2 weeks, and she uses her own product that she has formulated. It's called horsetail leaf growth oil, and it comes in this great bottle applicator that has like that type of top that you can squirt it in between the sections, which I'm really like, that was one of the selling points for me with this. And it doesn't have castor oil in it, which is fine for me. I don't need castor oil. I don't have an opinion on it yet. I don't like the way it smells. But this product has horsetail leaf herb in it. I don't believe it's going to make my hair grow faster, but it does have it in there. Grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, sunflower oil, vitamin E oil, rosemary oil. Then it has tea tree oil far down in the list of ingredients, which I like that because I don't want it to be drying out my scalp or anything having too much tea tree. Like, it's possible that this has too much tea tree. I'm not sure. Lavender oil, peppermint oil, and natural fragrance oil. I thought it was a little expensive. It was $37.49, but I'm supporting Keisha Charmaine, and she makes most of her money from her shop online, her online shop. So yeah, so I feel good about that. Hopefully it'll come soon. I'll let you know what I think of it when I start using it. So then this one is the two things that I got are the Dry and Itchy Scalp Care Shampoo, and it says fights dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis, enriched with zinc, pyrithione, olive oil, and tea tree oil. Okay, so that one's going to be good because I need a shampoo for this. I'm pretty sure that scalp oil isn't going to be enough. I'm going to need to shampoo. And the bar soap that I got, the probiotic bar soap, you use that in combination with a shampoo. You need to use a shampoo too. And then there is a leave-in conditioner, but I'm not going to leave it in, most likely. I think that's for like detangling, if you want to detangle. But I'm excited to start using conditioner on my scalp. And I like it because this one is a scalp. I like the idea of a conditioner that you can put on your scalp. And it has ceramides in it, which I don't know if you know about ceramides in skincare, but ceramides are one of those really good ingredients that some products have, some skincare products. So I don't know what ceramides are going to do here. It's probably going to lock in moisture to my scalp, which will be great. Maybe I'll start wanting to wash my own hair again since my salon is closed because of the virus. I can't go there and get my hair washed. So I'll probably start washing my hair again by myself, and I'll probably do it every week to 2 weeks. I can't go longer than that. I just can't. It doesn't feel right on my scalp. So when I wash my hair, it helps with the itching, but not for long. Not for longer than a few hours, and then it's back. So yeah, I've had this itching since my dreads were really fresh. And especially back at the back of my head, I had it. I think they were tightening up, and I think that was part of the irritation that was being caused. And flakes kind of come and go for me. But when you itch, when I itch, that's when the flakes come out. So it's embarrassing. So yeah, so I got these products. I ordered them today. They're $9 each of these, 3 that I told you about. They're $9 each. And I think that's an okay price for it. I haven't ordered any shampoo for a year, and the last shampoo I ordered was Threadhead HQ, which is a very clear, looks kind of like some really pure dishwashing detergent, hand dishwashing detergent. So I thought maybe that would help with buildup, but basically moving from that apartment where they had bad quality water was probably better than getting the Dreadhead HQ. But it helped for a while, and during the time that I thought that Dolly Locks shampoo was causing buildup on my hair, I was able to use that shampoo, the Dreadhead HQ shampoo, and it worked just fine. It doesn't have any scent to it as far as I know, so it's not like fun for me, but I guess there's a case that could be made for not having scents in skincare products because of potential sensitizing that can happen. So yeah, I think I might also go to a dermatologist as well, even though it probably won't happen till after I get these products and start using them. But I want to ask the dermatologist and have them take a look and see if they can tell. I'm really excited to get this taken care of because it is very irritating. I can't stand being itchy, and I am a lot. I'm itching my head a lot, and I don't like the way that looks. It's not a cool look, but really nobody's gonna see it right now except for my family members, and they don't care. So that's all I have for you. I will be making another video again soon, I'm sure. Take care, and could you leave me some questions in the comments? Leave me some questions you might want me to answer, like frequently asked questions, so I can make I'd like to make a video on that, frequently asked questions, if I get enough. And also leave me any, like if you have itchiness or flakes, and let me know if dandruff shampoo doesn't work for you, because that would be interesting for me to hear about people that have tried and it doesn't work.